Good morning. Exercise 3.5, question number 2, sub question 4. Fourth question. This is one of the important questions. Place places A and B are 100 kilometer. 100 kilometer apart on a highway. Apart on a highway, one car starts from A and another from B at the same time. At the same time, if the cars travels in the same directions, at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of? What are the speeds of the two cars? So questions, place A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same times. If the cars travels in the same directions at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel each other, coming together, A and one is starting from A, one is starting from B, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the car? We want to find out the speeds of the car. Then one highway we are taking is AB, and this becomes 100 kilometers. One car is starting with A, one is from B, is different speed and the same directions. Then they will meet here. That is C we are taking. This distance is equal to S. One car, first car, is starting from here and it will meet C, and second car is starting with B, it will meet in C together after 5 hours. They are meeting together. The first car is traveling more distance, second car is traveling less distance. First car is traveling A to C and second car is traveling B to C, and timing becomes 5 hours. Speed of the first car is more and speed of the second car is less. Now, speed of the first car is equal to x kilometer per hour. Now, speed of the second car is equal to y kilometer per hour. Now, speed is equal to distance upon time. then distance is equal to speed into time divided. Distance is equal to speed into time. The first car is starting with A and traveling the distance AC. Then AC is equal to speed into time. First speed of the first car is x and traveling time is equal to 5 hours. Now AC is equal to what? 100 plus S. AB plus BC. AC is equal to AB plus BC equal to 5x. Now AB is equal to 100 and BC is equal to S we are taken. That is 100 plus S is equal to 5x. Now we will see the second graph starting with B and traveling up to C, timing 5 hours, distance is equal to S. That means BC is equal to speed into time. Speed is equal to y we are taken, y into 5. Then BC is equal to S is equal to 5. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Subtract 1 minus 2. That is 100 plus S minus S is equal to 5x minus 5y. S will cancel. 100 is equal to 5x minus 5y. 5 is forward, that we can divide it. 100 is equal to 5 into x minus y. Then 100 upon 5 is equal to x minus y. If you cancel, x minus y is equal to 20. Equation number 3. That is equation number 3 here. Now, the second condition. This is A, this is B. This total kilometer is equal to 100 kilometer. The first car is traveling here and second is traveling here. So total distance is equal to 100 kilometer. Starting, first car is from A, second car is from B in opposite directions. That means one is starting from here, going this way, one is coming from here. Now, the speed of the first car is equal to next gear, and this will take it for C, and this will take it for S. Then this becomes 100 minus this distance is equal to S. This becomes 100 minus S. AC. The first car is traveling the distance of AC. Then AC is equal to x into 1 hour. Second condition, the same directions and the different speed. They meet 5 hours. If they travel each other in 1 hour, if they travel each other, that means opposite direction they are traveling, it will meet after 1 hour. That is, AC is the first car is traveling and BC is the second car, distance of the second car. Now AC is equal to 100, x into 1, that is 100 minus S is equal to x. Second car is traveling BC is equal to y into 1. Then BC is equal to S, we are taking S is equal to 1 y into. Then this both we are adding. Adding these two equations, 100 minus S plus S is equal to x plus y. That is equal to x plus y is equal to 100. That is equation number 4. That is equation number 4. This both the equation gets simplified. That is x minus y is equal to 20 and x plus y is equal to 100. Adding the both the equations, 2x is equal to 120, x is equal to 120 by 2, that is equal to 60. Now substitute equal to 60 in equation number 4. 60 plus y is equal to 100. Y is equal to 100 minus 60, that's equal to 40. Now speed of the first car. First car is equal to 60 kilometer per hour, and speed of the second car. Kilometer per hour. And second, I'll repeat the questions. Place A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the car travels in the same directions at the different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the car we want to find? The first condition we are taking, sir. A and B, sir. A and B is the distance 100 kilometers. Then they are traveling the same directions. That means one is traveling from here, another starting from B is going in the same directions. It will meet after 5 hours. Then the total distance traveled by A, first car, that is A 100 plus S, we can take it. Second car is traveling BC, that is equal to S, we are taking, sir. Then according to the first conditions, sir. First conditions. Distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to 100 plus S equal to 5 into x1, and second car is traveling S distance, that is S is equal to 5 into y. Subtracting both, 100 plus S minus S is equal to 5x minus 5y. Then S will cancel. 100 is equal to 5x minus 5y. 5 is common. Then dividing 5 on both the side, 20 is equal to x minus y. That is x minus y is equal to 20. That is equation number 3. Now according to the second conditions, if they travel each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the cars? Now here A car, first car is starting with A, second car is starting with B, coming together. The total distance is equal to 100. Then first car is traveling 100 minus S, second car is traveling S kilometers. Then AC is equal to first car. Distance traveled by the first car is equal to 100 minus S, that is equal to x into 1, that is equal to x. Second car is traveling BC distance, that is equal to S. We are taken S is equal to speed into time, that is y into 1, that is S is equal to 5. Adding both equations, that is 100 minus S plus S is equal to x plus y, that is x plus y is equal to 100. By elimination method we can solve it. Then x is equal to 60 kilometers, and substituting x is equal to 60 in equation number 1, we are getting y is equal to 40. Therefore the speed of the first car is equal to 60 kilometers per hour, and speed of the second car is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. This is one of the important questions, pair of derivation in 2 variables. The same one more question I am giving for Papa. $70 kilometers. They meet 7 hours. So since place A and B are 70 kilometers apart on a highway, one car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the car travels in the same directions at different speed, they meet in 7 hours. If they travel each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the car? We want to find out the speeds of the car. Here 5 it was there, 70 kilometers total, and here this given that is 7 hours. If they travel each other, they meet 1 hour. Find the speed of the train. Next, one more question for you, homework. Solve the following. by the substitution method. And substitution, elimination, and cross multiplication method. Eight x plus 5y equal to 9. 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Solve the pair of linear equations by substitution, eliminations, and cross multiplication. Three methods we want to use for finding the solutions of 8x plus 5y is equal to 9, 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Three methods will find out this question, sir. Okay. Solve next. 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13. 5 by x plus minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. Solve 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13. 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. This is equation reducible. We are reducing the equations in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here put u is equal to 1 upon x and b is equal to 1 upon y here. Therefore the equation becomes 2u plus 3b is equal to 13 and 5u minus 4b is equal to minus 2. This is equation number 1, equation number 2. Now we are getting the forms pair of linear equations into variable, that is 2u plus 3b is equal to 13 and 5u minus 4b is equal to minus 2. That is the form of pair of linear equations in two variables. Now we can use any method for finding value of u and v. After getting u and v, we want to find the value of x and y. Now here is 4. Multiply equation number 1 into 4 and equation number 2 into 3. Because this minus is here is plus and here is minus, that we can eliminate first. Now 4 8u plus 12b is equal to 52. 4 we are multiplying first equation is 4 into 2, 8u plus 12b is equal to 30 into 4, that is 52. So 3 by equation number 2, 15u minus 12b is equal to minus 6. That is equation number 3. This is equation number 4. Adding 3 plus 4. This both we are adding. Now 15 plus 8, 23. U is equal to 46. 46. Then U is equal to 46 by 23. That's equal to 2. Now substitute. U is equal to 2 in equation number 3. Sorry, equation number 1. U is equal to 2. That is 2 into 2 plus 3b is equal to 30. Then 4 is equal to 4 plus 3b is equal to 30. 3 3v is equal to 13 minus 4, that's equal to 9. V is equal to 9 by 3, that's equal to 3. Now u is equal to 2 and v is equal to 3 here. We are taken u is equal to 1 upon x. Then u we are getting 2. 2 is equal to 1 upon x. Cross multiplications. X is equal to 1 by 2. V is equal to 1 by y we are taken. Then 3 is equal to 1 by y. Therefore y is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore the solution is 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. This type of question is called equation reducible. That is not in the form of pair of linear equations in two variable. We are making u and v substituting 1 by x and 1 by y. Then we are getting pair of linear equations, and we can use it any method, that is elimination, substitutions and cross multiplications. Any method we can use for finding the value of x and y. This tomorrow I will give the homework.